You bet. Morning, how are you?
Not bad. How you doing?
I was hoping you'd still be open. I didn't know. I got here too late
The
yesterday.
whole neighborhood was Friday, Saturday, and then we're doing it Friday, Saturday, Sunday because we're just trying to get rid of it. So,
I don't blame you.
yeah.
Don't blame you whatsoever.
If you're interested in any clothes, there's XL men's over there, shirts, shorts, stuff like that. I'll take what I can get for them at this point. They're all priced at like $3 a shirt. I do like, $1.50 or $2.
I know this says 40, but would you take 5 for it? And yes, I'm
So
undercutting.
that table's my sister. She's not awake yet. So I don't
You can't speak for her, can you?
Now, what was it? What were you asking and offering?
5.40 for the coach. It's marked 40, but I'm offering 5.
$5.
$5. I'm just asking. That's all I can
I
do.
think she said that one is actual real coach.
Yes.
My wife has coach over here, but it's
Fake. Yeah. Yeah, I resell, so I can't really buy the fake stuff. They get honked off about that stuff. So, did you see all them lights?
What lights?
Right down there in the box.
Is it the icicle lights?
Yeah.
Oh, the ones you got before you were going to hang
Oh,
out.
shut up.
Yeah, I remember those
Why do you
lights.
think those are so smart?
Never got hung up.
Well, and you know what? I saw they have these new things, it's just like LED strips that you can mount and they're waterproof and stuff, and then you plug them in outside, they hook up to your Wi-Fi, then those are your Christmas lights, they stay up year round, and you make them, 4th of July, or,
Yeah.
every holiday.
Those are nice. I bet they're pretty penny too, ain't they?
I didn't even bother looking.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I wouldn't either.
Yeah, maybe next house.
Are you guys moving?
No.
Oh, you said next
so
house.
we-
I thought.
Oh.
Hi, buddy.
When he gets older, we plan on moving closer to her work because right now we're living in between my work and her work. Well, I retired, so that way I can stay home taking care of him. We both work 12-hour shifts.
Where you work? Where did you work?
Well, I worked at Lafayette Police Department.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So that was 13, 14 hours I'd be gone, and then there's just no childcare for that.
Yeah. No, there isn't.
More, so that's kind of the idea. Then
Yep.
closer, and then
I priced
when
it
he
at
goes to
like a
school,
little
find
bit
something else to do. But
at
Yeah.
half of what Walmart sells it at, or a little bit less.
I'll pay $2 for it. Shoot.
It's crazy. I was really surprised when I looked up what stuff costs at Walmart. You know, like go check in. Did they look at something that?
yeah, he's asking about the coach first.
Yeah, I'll ask them.
5. I'm offering 5 for it. If not, I understand. You said there's men's clothes over here?
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. I just didn't want to tear things up.
Well, it's nice now. She can't put all her crap on my stuff. So I think she's working on getting it all put back up.
My grandson needs some shorts, so.
Yeah, so they're all gym shorts and stuff like that. It's just I get new stuff and then I gotta get
Yeah.
make a room type deal.
Yeah. It's got a hole in it. He's growing. Be a sophomore, and he's already freaking 6'4", 160, and
Yeah, that's awesome.
boy, you need to slow down. I wish kids nowadays don't have the drive. I mean, I'm older than you, I know,
Yeah.
but they don't have the drive to play sports like you did back then.
No.
And it just 6'4", I would killed to have that height.
Yeah, see, I did baseball from first grade all the way to senior year, and then those are the only pair of mediums.
Yeah.
And then I had knee surgery my senior year, so then I just hadn't done anything since then.
Yeah.
So it kind of makes sense. I was a catcher for half that time.
Yeah, catcher. I played catcher too, and it doesn't do you justice.
Well, they didn't have, and then they didn't have knee savers for the longest while.
Yeah.
And then when those came in, and I didn't, I couldn't afford to get like my own catcher's outfit, so whatever was provided, it was either
Yeah.
I had it or I didn't.
Hold on, please. Yep.
Yeah, knee savers were a miracle.
I don't even know what you're talking about, because I never. All I had was shin guards.
Okay. So shin guards, when you go to strap around the back, there's these big wedge blocks that are foam.
Yeah.
So basically, when you go down, it cushions them, so they go from thin to wide, so it helps bridge that gap there. So that way you can kind of rest more versus putting all the pressure on your knees. So that was like the biggest godsend I ever found. Or if I didn't have those, I'd be kneeling with one and one to be up, and that's just kind of the way I had to do it.
Yeah, I would have killed for something like that.
X, I'm pretty sure.
I don't care. He can wear it. He's wearing XL, so I know he'll definitely grow into it.
Yeah. This is a double
Yes.
X. And then I think that Christmas Story shirt is a double X. So these are double X's, and then I think the rest should be extra large. There's a Old Smoky Moonshine in Tennessee.
Yeah.
Got those shirts there a long
I
time
don't
ago.
think my
They just
wife
never
or
wore
my
them.
daughter would appreciate me
Yeah.
getting that one for him.
Cheap fun run shirts.
Yeah.
And these are all just like cut off dry fit shirts.
Yeah.
I used to wear them at work, and then I don't need them because
Yeah.
I'm wearing a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
So.
Well, he's going to have a whole new wardrobe. That's for sure.
Yeah.
You take 7. It's $1 a piece. Would you take that or not?
How many garments?
7.
7. You got 10.
Sure. What you got there?
She said no to the 5. She's coming out here if you want to talk to her, but
I figured you would, but I had to ask. I just,
yeah, how can you
You
not?
should buy
Yeah,
some for me and just want to haggle.
yeah.
All right, 10 for that, and then how much is that?
This one is, well, this one.
They should be the same.
250.
Okay, so
And
450.
then, I don't know, this is last night.
Oh, let me ask her.
Well, we're just picking up Megan's stuff, ain't we?
Mm-hmm.
She said she marked everything. At first, she was just going to make it a make an offer table. So
Mhm.
everybody walk up and she's like, I just don't care. For the most part, anyways.
He did play, look, he's smiling at you.
I know. Hi, Butters.
He's so
She
cute.
said $1 for both.
He's so
She
cute.
said $1 for both.
Did you hear?
hair clips.
Yeah, that's fine. I
All right,
did.
so 550
Alright,
for
so-
this, so 1550.
Okay, total.
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't grab my change off the dresser, so
No, you're good. We,
Do you wanna-
we stopped
oh.
by for it.
Boo. Boo.
I love seeing you
450.
people.
I want one.
thank you, sir.
You guys need a bag for any of that?
No, yeah, go ahead, because I didn't bring my bags, and my work van is
No, we
Yeah.
a work
left
van.
them for the dogs to clean up after them outside, and then you still have more than we can get through.
Right.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no
You guys
problem.
have a good day.
You too.
Honey, I want one.
No, you don't.
Seriously,
No.
I should have heard it at 2 a.m. this morning.
No.
Adorable.
They're quiet, they're cheap, they take care of you when you're older.
I beg to differ on the cheap part. I raised my 2 and then her 2, so I understand. Ain't cheap. Have a good one.
Oh, God.
She getting wore out already. She wore out already. Good morning.
Yay!
I didn't know how many would still be doing it over here, so.
Yeah, I was like, well, might as well it's already on. Might as well just.
Right.
So I was like, it's raining. I'll just shove it on the garage. Since it's all smushed in there.
Nah. Gotta keep it out of the rain. Don't want to ruin your stuff.
I'm taking off this time. Feel free to.
Make offers?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what I need, toning band. So I can tone up my body.
I have sold a lot, so very thankful for that.
Jim wants it. Me, the gym, people look at me like, what's that skin has doing at the
Yeah,
gym?"
that's what I would say too. I'd be like, what's
Just
she
to tone
doing
up your
here?
body. Mel ain't got her pull anymore.
I don't know what kind of button-up shirts if Caden would wear, or even if he would.
Probably something like this.
Yeah, that would stand out.
I'm here.
What size is it?
Big enough.
XL.
Yeah.
How much is?
Seems like she could wear to church or something.
If you can go to church.
Mhm.
ain't wanting to go for some reason.
That smells really good.
Does it?
Yes.
Is it women's or men's?
No, it's men's.
Oh.
It smells really good.
And I was told that last time too, and they said that that you guys have contacted them and they have the wrong email. That you guys have the wrong email. You guys do not have the correct email for them.
Peeps.
Mm.
Candles. Woo.
Okay, so you're gonna have to call them because you guys don't have the correct email for them.
Need an egg keeper?
Okay,
Right.
shit on these people. We
How much
had,
for your candles?
I don't know if you bought 7 to 5. No, we had hotel reservations, and I scheduled it, and then I called, like 6 hours later to cancel it. Because we're like, well, we're doing it on the spot, it was only $80 more, and then Martin paid the $80 and get the kids there. So that's what we did, and they still charged us for this hotel
Oh,
room,
heck
and
no.
they're still refusing to give it back to me.
Go figure.
And I'm and they said that we had 48 hours to cancel. And I canceled 6 hours later, not even 6 hours later.
You take $1 a piece for these or not?
Yeah.
Okay. What?
That's a rooster.
Oh, God. It's a bag keeper, isn't it?
Yeah.
I thought so.
Super cute. It's a pioneer.
There's 2. What do you got?
That's
5 to 7.
Yes. Sorry, my daughter.
Kids
left
still
her.
sleeping and not doing the stand, huh?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna end up.
They're like, Mom, is anybody gonna come? I was like, probably not.
I thought I had 5. Let's see how this here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. I hate to make you break a 20. Can you break it or no?
Yes. Let me go
Okay.
grab the money. I wasn't prepared because I didn't think anybody was gonna come.
I got 6 ones if you take that instead of having to worry about
Yeah,
break.
let's
But
do that.
okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Awesome.
Thank you,
Sounds
dear.
good. Thank you. Put it in the girls' lemonade stand form.
Good luck.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yes, you too.
Thank you.
Can I have that coat hanger?
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine, hon. I know they're hard to come by,
Yes, they are.
especially good ones.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
That he can wear it for his hot date with the
Yeah. Almost didn't see it. Everybody that said they were having, they didn't have them because it was raining.
I started yesterday. Everything's $1 except for the jewelry, which will be $1/4 a piece.
Oh, wow. Okay. Cool.
I just want to get rid of it.
Don't blame you. Don't want to take it back in, do
I
you?
do not, because it'll sit for another 10 years.
like this, but they fall right off my little skinny arm. Everybody's like, you're so lucky you're skinny. No. No, it's not as fast as you think it is. Can't find that to fit you. You're looking for KD, ain't you?
No, huh? The boots are gone.
Yes, you are. Thought that was a Colts shirt. Take that straight to the dump and just burn it. Hate them. So stupid.
Shoes are $1 too.
Yeah.
Ooh, this was like this. Wrangle too. Get
Huh?
my department. Let that out of here. Well, I declare.
You're so retarded. God, I
Sure,
swear.
Rich, don't. Can't take me nowhere, can you, darling?
No.
Can't take me nowhere.
I'll take these two.
You wanna make a little pile over here?
Well, I'm gonna have to because I'm losing it all.
Don't knock my purdies
1,
off.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Like the rings, but it's my little bitty finger.
You big on you?
Yeah. Only wear like a 4.
Oh gosh.
Little big finger. God sure didn't bless me, that's for sure. Nope, you'll need no bud, no nothing. Get on with it.
I'm so retarded.
Live your life.
These are all gonna be size 14s or 16s.
Oh, he's looking. Oh, those would look good on you.
I bet they would.
Definitely.
I might get my big toe in there.
Yeah. That probably wouldn't even fit me as good as they are.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You're gonna make it even number, ain't you?
I'm just looking. Seeing what I can sell.
She said you could take it all. Just take it. $100, it's yours. I'll help you out here a little
Hey,
bit.
thanks, I appreciate it.
Oh, we needed this rain so
Yeah.
bad. Oh my goodness, I'm glad it's raining.
I don't. My legs hurt every time it rains. Well, I like the rain, don't get me wrong. Just,
We need it, buddy. Bell bottoms.
yeah, but if you look on Poshmark, that's what's going.
Everywhere, never did like it, never will. It's just ugly to me.
I don't like
I like the designs of the jeans, I just don't like the
I don't, no.
flare of it. Not for me.
Garage door sound about like mine. Stretch seams are short, petite.
You are our last yard sale on the way home.
Oh, yeah?
And we live like right around the corner.
Oh, right on.
They got all the good ones.
Hmm.
Hold up. You don't even wear your earrings anymore.
Can't get them back in. I've tried, but they
I
don't.
haven't more earrings in probably 10 years, and I can still get them
I
today.
used to all the time, and then at work, we're not allowed to wear
Yeah.
jewelry, so all of it just sat.
You gotta break that hole back open, honey.
Nah, I ain't worried about it. As much as I'm in.
Yeah, true.
Good Lord, that's a long one.
Some Liz would wear.
Mm-hmm.
I got all that one jewelry for her too. If she ever comes over and gets it.
Well, I'm gonna tell her to come over today. You know what size rings these are?
Probably 9s.
9s. Okay.
Yeah.
They're pretty. Yeah, I like those too, but they wouldn't fit my arm.
No, they wouldn't.
I'll car right on off.
They would not, Missy. Fish and pose?
No. My son would kill me.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Those will all be a quarter a piece.
9, 10 even.
Did you get the jewelry?
Yes, ma'am. Did I miss something? Oh,
No.
she'll get in the bag, ain't she?
So you got it.
You got change for 20?
Yeah.
Good deal.
You would say 10 even?
10 even.
What's your camera for?
I have, I resell.
Uh-huh.
So we videotape when we go out reselling to the yard sales, wherever we go.
Uh-huh.
And I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
And I post them on there and all that stuff. So
Wow.
I don't know if you get on to YouTube or not.
Not very often.
Yeah. Sugar Creek Pickers is what it is. I have we have a booth out there at Trader Bucks.
Uh-huh.
And then I also have a page on Facebook, Sugar Creek Pickers of Indiana.
Mm-hmm.
So I post everything on there and
Right
what I
on.
have to sell and all that kind of stuff. So it's a good thing. We have fun.
Thank you for
No, thank you. Hey, you want to help carry this stuff? Or are you going to worry about getting wet?
She's already in there. I help you.
Figures.
You need it.
All right, I got her. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for the help there, Screw.
Shut the door on you, didn't
Yeah, well, it made me carry everything. I don't know if all this is going to fit. The clothes
shirts
will.
The clothes will, but
The boots will not.
There you go. I can't see.